Welcome back to Stewart Science. Today we're talking about the connection between energy and something known as work. Now, work is, and we'll talk about this in another video, it's force times the distance, and that unit ends up actually being joules, which is also the unit for energy. So there's a connection here because these units are the same thing. They're both measured in joules. So here's the connection. This is all it is. Ready for the short video? Work equals change in energy. If energy changes, if you see energy going into an object, that's work being done on that object. If energy is leaving that object, going somewhere else, that's the object doing work on something else. And so we call this change in energy work. That's it. If I ask you what's work, you say change in energy. And so we've kind of represented this already, but if we have a situation like this, where we saw this in the energy bar charts example, where we have the energy going from the spring to the ball, the spring is doing work on the ball, because at the beginning the energy is in the spring here in the elastic form, and at the end, there's nothing in the spring. It's not stretched out, it's not off the ground, it's not moving. So the spring goes from 2 boxes to nothing, and so we would draw energy going out in our flow diagram. The basketball would see that the exact opposite way, how there's no energy in it, and there's some kinetic and some gravitational at that point. So we'd say energy is flowing in. So which way the energy is going kind of depends on your object, but the energy starts in the spring, and so the spring gives its energy away. It does work. Whenever this flow diagram is used in your example, work is being done. So this right here, if you could somehow calculate that, that's work. And we will calculate that in a later video. So if you're at that point right now where you're calculating the change in energy, that's another video. But that's all this video is. Work is energy change. So whenever energy flows in or out of an object, work is being done. As always, this is Mr. Stewart. Keep learning, no matter what.